So Flickr has always been an app for sharing photos. It's an app about seeing other people's photos as well as, if they've allowed it, to see the details. Here's the shot that I showed you on the camera. And what I've done is I've allowed it to show all of the details. So if I go and open them out, you'll see the kind of camera it was, the aperture, the lens itself, the ISO, the shutter speed, 6 seconds, flash didn't fire, and I can show more if I want. But I can also show it on where it was taken as a map. So that's kind of neat for me if I want to remember 5 years later where I took a shot. So the thing about this is that you have an ability to go to other people's photos. So you just do your normal search terms. And you'll see, or as you're wandering through, as you're scrolling through, if you join groups, you'll see a lot of those kind of shots, particularly under specific areas like dusk, for example. So you will see those settings. But Flickr, which we're going to be using for Foto Frenzy Friday as a way so we can see your shots and we can see the Exif data, because we can't fully critique a shot if we can't see what lens focal length was on, what shutter speed was used, what aperture was used, what ISO was used, because that's all part of the critique as well. It isn't just about how it looks, it's what happened to make it get there. The other thing that's great about this is that, and not very well known even at the time when Flickr was big for photographers, is that you've got a thing called world map. If somebody, like I just did, has posted a photo to a map in Flickr, well, what you can do is you can enlarge, enlarge, enlarge to drill down to an area that you would be going to yourself. So I've searched for the clock tower, and then I can click on these images here, and it shows me where that was taken. So I can enlarge in a little bit more, click on this here, that says clock tower. It's a different kind of clock tower, but then I can go and look and have a look at these other images. So it shows me what that clock tower looks like. And in fact, there's the shot that I posted earlier.